Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. Firstly, open Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, tap on the same options. I will start with Sony. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one. I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Then click on Close in white pop-up at the top. And to get rid of Personalizations one, choose History at the bottom of both devices. Now decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience by clicking on one of those options. And wherever you decided, tap on Close this window. Finally, with this pop-up out of our way, click on Receive right next to History at the bottom of Sony. Then Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Also on an Android, use all of those categories available at the top to select all of your files that you wish to transfer. If you want to, you can always just select a couple of them. In some of those categories, you need to tap on Allow one more time. And when you finish, just click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!